Good evening. I hope you had a good day. I was at the office today, which is why I couldn't record anything. But I am here now, buttering my peas. I'll let that sit on the side. And because I am not going to cook after a long day of work and now having to come home and edit and all of that, I am going for my favourite microwave meal from Tesco's, which is bangers and mash, 2 for £5. So this whole dinner is costing me £2.50. Bangers. And this onion gravy is very impressive because it's got beautiful onions in it that actually taste good. I am like not switching on the oven to put 2 sausages in. You know what I'm saying? I'm not doing that. Just melting the butter, and then that can go on the side. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. I know that's gonna need some salt, so salt the peas, give that a little bit of a woo. And this is my meal for under £3 with no washing up to do apart from a plate and a fork. And then I'll have my evening free to edit, watch Love Island, and chill. That is good. That is some good shit right there. Seriously. Look at all the butter trying to seep out of its sides. Buttery and salty peas. I might do a part 2. Peace.